Guerrillas and driving them out took 20,000 lives at the time, mostly civilians.
As the Israeli tanks rolled in, the villagers greeted them with flowers. The Palestinians were getting to be too much for us, one told me. They said that most of the terrorists had fled, leaving their dead behind.
And they eventually sailed to Tunis and from there went on to Ramallah and Gaza.
Drive, dude.
The country has never quite stood on its feet since then. And Iran started spending money and resources to recruit young Shiite men from those border villages and from the suburbs of Beirut to kind of shield itself and to develop a foreign policy avenue where it could pressure the West. Of course, at the
Buddy, patience. Fuck, no wonder you got that shit on your car. And what are you doing?